Hey everybody, welcome back to Pack-A-Day Pokemon. Today we've got our first look at Evolving Skies, which I gotta say has got some of the best pack art I've seen in a long time. Out of all the evolutions, Umbreon's my favorite, so I am totally in love with this pack art. Now I know the big wants for everybody are all the different evolutions in the set, but the one I want the most is the Gold Dark Energy card they have. I really want that. So, no, it's not the most expensive pull or anything, but I do not care. That is what I want. And for that, we're going to guess Dark Energy on this. Yep. Fire Energy. Lucky Ice Pop. Snow Leaf Badge. Scrafty. Scraggy. Hippopotas. Time Pull. Litleo. Ooh, our Eevee. Regidrago as the reverse. Never seen that one before. And for our rare, ooh, Galarian Moltres. Nice first pack holographic. Let's leave that up. Alright, not bad. And we'll sleeve the reverse rare too. Alright, well, if you guys liked this video, be sure to like it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Later.